Hello and welcome to another ProQyz demonstration video. In this video I'm going to walk you through how you create a page on your WordPress site and you fill it with all of the courses from your ProQyz quiz builder. So we're going to show you how to combine these two things, which at first sight may look like they are separate, but obviously the quizzes and the courses that we create on here we want to display on our website somehow. So there are a couple of steps to that. First, we need to create a new page on our website, and then we need to show people how to find that page. And we need to have that page filled with our courses. So let me just go through these steps now. I've already got some quizzes here, I've already got some courses here, we've got some other videos which will talk about that. So today we're just going to talk about creating a page which your students or your customers or your employees can find. So we'll go to our WordPress dashboard, and you need to go down to Pages, and we're going to create a new page and add a new page, and let's call it demo page. And what we're going to do here, what we're going to put on this page is all of the courses that we've created in here. So all of the courses that we've created on our ProQyz app. And that's quite easy to do. We need to add a shortcode. So we go to the plus button and we add a shortcode. If this doesn't appear, if you just start typing SH, it will come up. Now, this is an important piece of code. We'll write this down in so it's nice and clear, but square bracket ProQyz dash course dash grid, and close the bracket. And close the square bracket, I should do, and publish this. And what this will do, what this code will do, it will gather all of the courses made in ProQyz, and it will display them in a grid. Okay, so nice and easy. How do you show your users of your website where that is? Well, we can put this page up in the menu section here. We can put it wherever we like. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll go back to our demo, our WordPress dashboard, and this time we'll go to menus. This is where we can change all of our menu settings. We're currently logged into the primary menu. You'll see WordPress has different types of menu, but we'll just have a look at this. Over here you'll see the most recent ones. We've got demo page, so I'm going to add that to my menu, and it'll just come up at the bottom. So at the moment it will come after blog. I can put it before blog if I like, or I can make it a subcategory of other pages if I like. You can drag and drop this wherever you want to do it. It's quite easy and useful. So let's save that menu, and we'll go back to our page. And here you'll see at the top I've got demo page with all of the courses that I have already created on ProQyz. And that, they say, is as easy as that. See you in the next video, where we'll talk about other things, other ways of getting the most out of your ProQyz app and your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.